After a long battle in court, e-tolling looks set to go ahead in the new year. The North Gauteng High Court today dismissed the opposition to Urban Tolling's Alliance's application. That's to have the project scrapped. Amogelang Mbatha reports.
The South African National Roads Agency and OUTA have faced off in court over the past few weeks, but the fight could finally be over. Judge Lewis Forster dismissed OUTA's application to halt open road tolling on the grounds of inadequate public notification.
The toll road declaration in issue in this application have not been shown to be reviewable on lawful grounds. Consequently, this ground of review or objection must also fail.
The Public Investment Corporation has funded around 17 billion rand of Gauteng's road upgrade project. 89% of assets held under the PIC provide for the Government Employees Pension Fund, which is a major reason why the imminent implementation of e-tolls comes as a relief for both government and SANRAL.
I'd like all of us now to turn around and respect the decisions of the courts. It is extremely unfortunate the opposition to tolling, OUTA, showed total disregard and disrespect for the decision of the Constitutional Court. Now that is the highest court in our land. If we all start to disrespect the decisions of the Constitutional Court, that is going to lead to an erosion to the rule of law. But let us now, together with them, go ahead with tolling, and I hope that Mr. Duvenage himself, together with Jack Bloom, will lead the charge to getting people to register now and stop what they have been advocating.
OUTA and COSATU have engaged in protest action and even organized a go-slow on Gauteng's freeways leading up to today's judgment. Judge Forster ordered OUTA to pay the costs incurred during the appeal heard before the Constitutional Court. Despite this financial burden, OUTA is not backing down.
We believe this decision will also have a significant impact on South Africa's global reputation, as it will compound on the country's dire 2012 performance in terms of economic downgrading and diminish global competitiveness.
The Transport Department says although the e-toll bill will only be debated in Parliament in February next year, it will not hinder the implementation of the system. Director General George Mahlalela notes that motorists should prepare themselves to pay tariffs from early next year.
We are pleased with the judgment today. We think that it closes a chapter. It gives us an opportunity now to move forward and focus on other important tasks in government in terms of building more roads, finding solutions of how we fund them. We will, of course, out of this judgment, then prepare ourselves for the rollout. We want to encourage people to go out and buy e-tax. The minister very soon will announce, after all the submissions people made, and also after this court judgment, we'll announce the way forward very soon.
Although COSATU and OUTA have fiercely opposed the electronic tolling of freeways, with the ANC's leadership conference in the spotlight this weekend, it seems this may just be the end of a long and costly resistance to road tolling in Gauteng.